Guangzhou Fuge Construction Machinery Parts Co., Limited Company, located in Guangzhou, Guangdong, China, is a company dealing with engine parts for about 30 years. We have a professional technical team and about 300,000 high-quality engine parts in stock, including wholesale and retail diesel engine parts. We are specialized in different kinds of diesel engine parts for Kubota, Yanmar, Liebherr, Isuzu, Mitsubishi, Komatsu, Perkins, Doosan, Cummins, Caterpillar, Volvo, Hino, Nissan, etc. High-quality YM engine parts. Our factory has a complete production line, from material processing to product shipment. Each step is arranged by professional technicians to operate and produce according to the size required by customers. Engine parts such as pistons, piston rings, cylinder liners, etc., are mass-produced in our factory as inventories, and each production link is responsible for arranging supervision to ensure the high quality of the products. Meanwhile, our engine part department supply a series of engine part used in all parts of Excavator. The warehouse has 300,000 inventories every year and is equipped with professional packaging managers and logistics companies to meet the needs of customers around the world. We meet and communicate with customers through global exhibitions to provide better services. YEM looks forward to cooperating with you and welcomes you to join us.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.